When I started, I was taking right back. Didn't fit in, yeah, I had my own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair looks so funny here. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair, and I haven't dyed my hair before, like on my own. I've dyed it a couple of times at the salon. So since we're in the quarantine period, I have to dye myself, and I've been meaning to dye my hair for a very long time because I've got brown dye in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've got brown dye in my hair. And this is because the last time I dyed my hair, she didn't dye it well and it got messed up. So I want to dye on my own. And I'll be using the original INECTO Super Black dye. Senedi recommended it to me. She said it's a very good dye, so let's see how it goes. I never do natural hair stuff on my channel, so I guess this is the first time I've done natural hair stuff. Please subscribe, join the family.
It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what it is. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. They said I was too slow, and they said I was too short. Then they said I was too low, but I gave it my all. They said I was too old, and they said it was too late. Then they said there was no way, but I found my way. You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what you say. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what it is. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. Oh, yeah. When I started, I was taking right back. Didn't fit in, yeah, I had my own vibe. Mama told me you can make it if you try hard. So I took it and I made it my bag. Oh, they said I was too slow. They said I was too short. They said I was too low, but I gave it my all. They said I was too old. They said it was too late. They said there was no way, but I found my way. See, you can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what you say. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what it say. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah. Shut up.
Okay guys, so now that I'm done dyeing the whole hair, I have to wait for like 20 to 30 minutes to get my results. So yeah, we'll have to wait. So after, yeah, so 20, according to the instructions, 20 to 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
I waited for 30 minutes and this is the results right now. My front hair is off, but anyway, this is the results. I just hope I dyed everything well, because I just hope I dyed everything well, because I can't really see if I did a good job. But so far, it looks very dark.
How you heading or no matter what it is. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it, yeah.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to wash my hair with the, hold on. I'm going to wash it with the INECTO Aloe and Protein Conditioner. It comes in the pack, so I'm going to wash I use 2 dyes. I'm going to wash it out, and then after that I'm going to use my normal shampoo to wash. And if you can see the name, but this is the shampoo I use on my hair, so I'm going to use this to wash after I use the dyes conditioner, and I'll still condition it again. I'll use my leave-in and cream.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I just finished washing my hair, finished washing the dye out, and then condition and shampoo. It's still wet, but my face is so wet. So yeah, looks like all the brown hair is out. Thankfully, all the brown hair is out. Yeah. Guys, if you know anything that could make my edges come back to life, please let me know, because I really need to get my edges back. So now I'm just going to put in the leave-in conditioner, and I'll comb it and leave it to dry. Yeah.
You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what you see. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it. Yeah. You can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what you see. It's a long journey, but Charlie, you can make it. You can make it. When I started, I was taking right back. Didn't fit in, yeah, I had my own vibe. Mama told me you can make it if you try hard. So I took it and I made it my bag. Oh, they said I was too slow. They said I was too short. They said I was too low. But I gave it my all. They said I was too old. They said it was too late. They said there was no way. But I found my way. See, you can be anything you want if you believe. No matter how you're heading or no matter what you say.
This brings me to the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications. Any video you want me to do, let me know and I'll do it. Yeah, I actually look nice, just that my face is white. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.